Did you know that schools teach you algebra, but never teach you how to manage money? No wonder so many people struggle financially. In today's video, I'll break down 5 money rules that the rich know, but schools never taught you. Let's go. Rule number 1, save to invest, not just to save. Most people think saving is the key to wealth, but here's the truth. If you just save money in a bank, you're losing wealth due to inflation. The rich don't just save, they invest. Put your money to work in stocks, real estate, or businesses. Rule number 2, your job won't make you rich. Most people think working harder will make them rich. Wrong. A 9-to-5 job pays the bills, but it won't build wealth. The secret? Multiple income streams. Example: rich people don't rely on one income. They have investments, side businesses, and passive income streams. If you want financial freedom, start thinking beyond a paycheck. Rule number 3, debt can make you rich if used right. Not all debt is bad. While the poor use debt to buy things that lose value, like cars or gadgets, the rich use good debt to buy income-generating assets. Example: taking a loan to buy a rental property, show good debt. Using a credit card to buy luxury clothes, just your bad debt. Learn to use debt to your advantage. Rule number 4, inflation is stealing your money. Ever wonder why $1 used to buy a meal, but now it barely buys a snack? That's inflation at work. Example: in 1980, a house cost $47,000. Today, the average house is over $400,000. If your money isn't growing faster than inflation, you're getting poorer every year. Rule number 5, rich people think long-term. The rich don't chase short-term gains. They invest in long-term assets that grow over time. Stop chasing quick money. Think long-term, invest wisely, and let your wealth compound. Now that you know these 5 money rules, which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. And if you want to break free from financial struggle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next video.